Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about PHPDoc annotation in WP-CLI command. So what is PHPDoc annotation? So it is just documentation we add for all the functions in PHP, just like this. So for example, this is a PHP function, and whatever we add over here as function information, it is called PHPDoc. So we are going to talk about that, how important this PHPDoc in the WP-CLI command. So why we should add this PHPDoc annotation in the command? So first of all, that is used by the function itself. So there are some validations that handles by the WP-CLI based on what PHPDoc we add for the function. And another one is it is useful for whenever we make our custom command, and when we add dash dash help for the command, it will display all the information related to that command. So that is the purpose of PHPDoc in the WP-CLI command. So in our previous video we created simple command which was running printing this sentence only. So this is the command, this is the sub command. Let me show you that command by running into the terminal. So this command I have added in my custom plugin, and if you don't know, I would suggest just watch my previous videos so that you know what we are doing. And if you know what you are doing, then continue watching. So first of all, let me execute this command and show you what we did so far. So it is WP BWP hello. That is our command, and it prints the hello WordPress. Simply prints the hello WordPress. Now we will be adding some PHPDoc for this command, and this PHPDoc is common for all the functions. You just need to make changes based on your function requirement, but as of now I'm gonna add this code block, PHPDoc, and I will explain what is this thing. So let me get rid of the sidebar so that you can see. So the first thing is short description of the command. Then this is the option so that we can tell the WP-CLI that this command accepts these options. First option is the name of the person to greet. Sorry, this should be like this. This is the type, like what type we want to greet, and expected value is success or error. You can define the parameters expected values like this. If there are more, you can add more over here, but as of now we need just two. And the default value, if we don't pass anything, if we don't pass this parameter, the default value it is going to take as a success. So this argument means this is the required one and we have to pass it, otherwise WP-CLI command is going to throw an error. I will show you how this works. Then this is the example section where you can define an example how your command should be for this particular function command. So yeah, that's that. This is the common for all the commands. You just need to make changes based on your requirement. So let's try to check how it looks. First, I said that this can be used for help command. So let's try to run WP help command for our custom command. So WP-BWP hello, then help. So as you can see, the name of the command is BWP hello. Then this is the description which comes from here, prints a greeting. Then hypnosis, which is the command behavior, what you can pass on, what command accepts. And these are the options which command accepts, which is the name, it is coming from here, and then the description of this argument. So that's that. And again, this is the type, another argument, optional, description, then this values, and then examples, which is coming to here. So this is the purpose of our PHPDoc. And now let's try to execute this command without passing any argument. So as you can see, as this is the required argument name and we haven't passed any name, so it is throwing us an error. So now let's try to pass a name, and it is printing this hello WordPress because execution is successful. Now let's make some dynamic execution. So it should say hello BuntyWP. So in that case, this argument comes in the $args, as I mentioned in my previous video. And let's print the associative args as well. Let's run the command again. So as you can see, in our first argument, we have this BuntyWP in the first position, but we haven't passed this type yet. Still we are getting this type equal to success because we mentioned that default value is success for this parameter. If we pass type equal to error, we will get type error over here. So that is why this doc is useful, so that we don't need to make some conditions to check whether it is empty or not. So that's that. So now name is coming inside this arguments of 0. So take the name and put it over here. And let's try to run the command. Now it is saying hello WP. Hello BuntyWP. Whatever you pass over here, it will display that name. So that's done. Now success and error type. So let's say we want to display this message as an success or as an error. So first we will check if let me print this first so that you are clear what I am going to do. So in this associative array, the type we get in the array, so that is what I'm going to check. If associative arg type is success, then print success, else error. So this success and error I already mentioned in my previous video. So if you don't know, that success is will display message as a success message and error will display message as an error. So let's try to do that. So by default it is giving us success message, hello Bargo. Now let's try to pass type equal to error. So it is giving us an error, and if you notice, when error is there we get this code. So this code will be used in the test that we are going to do in our future videos. But just to know what's the difference between success and error returns some code over here. So that is all about PHPDoc. Yeah, that is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.